200 Kingswood Circle, Pinehurst, North Carolina. At a time when there are few single-level, 4-bedroom homes available in the Sandhills, this updated home is ready for its next owners to stop by and adopt it for themselves. Located in the Pinehurst Number 6 subdivision, this brick and vinyl home is on a quiet, low-traffic street on a tree-covered, low-maintenance, pine straw-covered lot. The 2-car garage greets you when you pull into the driveway, and if you choose to come in through the front door down this landscaped pathway, you will open the door and step past a small entryway to a large open and bright living room with a fireplace and mantle already wired for entertainment underneath the tall cathedral ceiling. This home has freshly installed luxury laminate floors throughout. A bar-style countertop separates this dining area from the shotgun-style kitchen, with stainless appliances, plenty of counter space, and abundant cabinetry. At the far end, near the garage entry, is the spacious laundry room. From the entrance to the kitchen, you traverse the living room and pass the French door entry to the private area hallway, take a left turn, and end up in the owner's suite. The spacious room is wide enough for every bed size up to a king and has natural lighting. It features 2 walk-in closets on the way to the huge owner's bath with 2 counters and sink, stand-up shower, and a separate room for bathtub and toilet. Leaving the owner's suite, you walk down the hallway past the full guest bath, which is on the way to the other 3 bedrooms. The last one down the hallway is currently being used as an office. Guest room number 2 is right next door, open and bright with abundant closet space, just like the last guest room across the hall from the guest bath. Heading back through the French doors and through the living area, you walk to the back door and head out onto the back deck, surrounded by bench seating that spills into a very private fenced backyard. This home is ready to help you start your next chapter in the Pinehurst Number 6 subdivision at 200 Kingswood Circle in historic Pinehurst, North Carolina. Make an appointment to see this beautiful home today. To see this property, call Southern Partners and More at 910-236-3030. Southern Partners and More, your key to a happy move.